Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I know it's been a while. I feel like I say that every single time I come back with some sort of content for my channel because the intervals are always so long. I've been getting a lot of inquiries from you guys like, hey Cindy, we miss you, where are you? Guys, I do have an Instagram, so if ever you happen to miss me or want to see what's going on in my life, yeah, follow the link down below, you guys. Come on over to Instagram, say hello. I'm there. I'm a lot more active on Instagram. I just, yeah, this YouTube thing for me, it's very hard, you guys. My work life, social life, all that, it just does not allow me a lot of time to really provide a lot of content. So I apologize for that. You know, I really wanted to make an effort to do better, but yeah, not so much. Plus, besides, I don't really know what the heck is going on because I've never seen anything like this, but I've literally been at 22,800 for months. Literally 22,800, not 22,806, 850, 756. There's no, like, it's not going up or down. It's just 22.8. It's just very weird, the fact that my numbers have not changed for months. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I'm just whatevs. Anyway, I'm here today to bring you two things. The first of which is this hair that I'm rocking. If you watched my vlogs, then you would have seen this in my vlog. Certainly you saw this when I was in London, but then even before I got to London, you saw when I was actually like dyeing it, or when it was drying after I dyed it, whatever. So this hair I got from Panse Hair on Amazon. I got, I believe it was 3 or 4 22 inches in a 20-inch closure. I got it in the natural, you know, 1B color, whatever the case might have been. I actually tried first to use a box dye on this, and I bought like maybe 3 or 4 box dyes. I used it thinking that I was going to achieve a color that was quite similar to this, just like a light auburn type color. Didn't work, did not take at all. So that was like a complete waste of my money. So then I'm like, all right, I had to like allow it to dry. Then I'm like, all right, what am I gonna do? Like, I'm not gonna waste my money buying $30 worth of box dyes again just for it not to take. Because this is the second time I've tried using box dyes on my weaves and it hasn't worked. So then I just went the old fashioned way and I used the developer and the bleach powder and I bleached it. And this is what I got. You'll notice that the front of it is a lot lighter, and that's because I wanted to have like this light effect. I did do this part maybe 2 or 3 times, so much so that I actually fried the hair. It looked insane when it actually dried. So I definitely caused some damage there, but as to the rest of the hair, I think it took it quite well, and I really haven't had any major issues with it. I do have some tangling, not a whole lot of shedding, but I do have a little bit of tangling, and I think that has something to do with the fact that I did so much with the coloring, the dyeing, and then bleaching and blah 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 in an effort to achieve this color. All in all, though, I do like this hair. I've been rocking it since December on and off. I really like it. I love the density. Like I said, I don't have a lot of issues with it. I do have more tangling than I normally do with my weaves, and I feel like that is attributable to the fact that I did so much with the coloring. So that's it for this hair. I think it's a pretty decent quality, and the prices, of course, are super affordable. I will have the link down below. Again, it's Panse Hair on Amazon. The next thing, you guys, I'm excited to share is a collaboration that I did with Teami blends. Now, if you haven't heard about Teami blends, you must have been living under a rock, because I feel like they do collabs with everybody. Okay, they are here collabing with everybody, guys. They do collabs with like a lot of celebrities you'll see on Instagram, and obviously they do a lot of collabs with people here on YouTube. So yeah, back in December, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted that I was collaborating with them, and I made a post with like my TV blend. So basically, you know, you get this cup obviously to make your blends in, but then you have a choice of the type of blend that you want. And for me, I chose the green superfood blends. Okay, this, you guys, is everything, because first of all, let's listen to this. Okay, 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based, it's vegan, it's GMO-free, it's gluten-free, it's dairy, soy-free. Okay, basically it's just a blend that you mix into your water, your smoothies, your porridge. I can't imagine porridge. Like this would probably be like a little bit weird in my porridge. But what I use it for, you guys, is in my smoothies. So yeah, in the smoothies is perfect. But on here it says that you can have it in your juice and your porridge and your water. I freaking love this, you guys. I am a smoothie head. I have smoothies almost daily. I have a Ninja that I use to make my smoothies every day. So I just take a scoop of this and I pop it in there, and I feel like it makes the smoothies better, and I feel like it's healthier because it has obviously all these green superfoods in there that I don't generally have laying around to add into my smoothies. So I feel like I add a lot of nutrition into my smoothies by adding a scoop of my green superfood. I also got 2 additional things from them, you guys, which of these I have not tried yet. This one is Skinny Dip tea bags right here. I assume it's some sort of a weight loss or something type of tea. I'm not really into those, so I have not used that. And then there is the Teami colon cleanse, which I have not gotten around to using yet because I had a bad experience with another colon cleanse thing that I tried. Like, it's just too many stomach cramps, and I'm just like, I wasn't for it. So I have not used this yet, but I do intend to use this. The Skinny Dip, perhaps not. But yeah, so I love the green superfood blend, you guys, because like I said, even if it's just mental, I just feel like when I add a scoop of this, I feel like, oh my God, my smoothie is so much more nutritious. So I'm here for it. And of course, I love my Teami blend cup, which I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but because I use the superfood, which by the way is literally green. It's very, very green because I use it so much. Like my cup, the inside of it is kind of like stained. Like it used to be like nice and clear and like, you know, just clear, clean, clear. But now, and it just looks a little brown inside. And I that's for sure because of my green superfood, which is very, very rich in color. As to the cups, you guys, they offer them in a variety of different colors: pinks, blues, I believe orange. Yeah, so you can get to pick whatever color cup that you like. And I love this cup. I love it. I love it for my smoothies, and I love it for my tea, because inside of it, it actually comes with like a strainer. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there it is. So it comes with like a strainer, and I'm into this thing now, like where I drink thyme tea, you guys. When Tina was here, she put me onto this. I had no idea that thyme could be used in a tea. No idea, no idea. So in the mornings when I don't have my smoothie, when I'm in the mood for tea, I will just pour some hot water in here. I'll put like maybe like 2 sprigs of thyme in here, and then I'll put this back on top. That way I can drink it without having the thyme coming into my mouth or whatever. It's really, really cool for teas in general. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan of this cup. I use it a lot, hence why it's so discolored. Yeah, so I will have all the details for Teami down below, you guys. I believe they're offering certain discounts, which will be down below again. 20%, 25%. Valentine's Day is coming up, so they're having quite a number of different promotions. So check out their site and yeah, get you some Teami blends. All right. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.